Hi guys, day 2 of building a web app on Lovable without any coding skills. So yeah, today I've been working on user journey for the web app so that I have an idea on which parts need to be developed on Lovable and I get a better idea of the flow. So let's dive into it. So yeah, the music tribute user journey. So I started outlining with a little bit of help from my ChatGPT friend some of the steps in the user journey on the app. So yeah, I got a better idea on which parts need to be developed. So yeah, we have the first stage is the onboarding, where we have the landing page with the information about how the app's gonna work. Then we have the second area where we have the input stage, where we have the different types of information like the photos that the user can upload, key phrases, song preferences, personal message. The next part is the processing stage, where the app will actually do all the hard work in the background using different APIs to generate video, lyrics, song and subtitles. The next stage is the preview stage, where the user can actually see the video, and I'm not so sure about all the editing, tweaking options, as that might not seem so easy, will not be so easy as it seems. So I don't know. We'll see as this develops if that's easy or not to do. And the last part is the part where the user can actually download the video, share it directly on some of the social media or through email. So besides the user journey, I've also set up the connection to the database using Supabase, which was pretty easy. And tomorrow I'll start on a suggestion from Lovable to set up authentication, so you can actually log in, register first and then log in, and probably take a look at ShotStack that sent me an email about how to set up the API. So yeah, I got my work cut out for me. Today was a good day. See you tomorrow. And hit follow if you want to keep posted on the daily updates and see how this journey is developing.